Welcome to the channel Maths for Graduates. Today we'll prove ML inequality. So let's start. A statement of this theorem is: suppose that f of z is continuous on an open set containing a contour gamma and modulus of f of z is less than equals to capital M for all z belongs to gamma. Okay, then this inequality holds, and inequality is modulus of integration gamma f of z dz less than equals to ml. Okay, and where L is length of gamma. So let's start proving this theorem. Okay, let the contour gamma given by z from closed interval AB to complex plane C. Okay, and ZT denotes the contour gamma. Now let's find modulus of the integral. Okay, so integral is integration gamma f of z dz. Okay, so we have modulus integration function f of z, z is zt, and dz will be z prime t dt, and limit of t is from a to b. Okay, and here z prime t is differentiation of zt with respect to t. Okay, now taking this modulus sign inside the integration sign, so we have integration from a to b taking modulus inside this integration, so we'll have modulus of f of zt into z prime t dt, and due to this equality changes into inequality. Okay, now we have integration from a to b using property of modulus, so we'll have modulus of f of zt into modulus of z prime t into dt. Okay, now replacing the value of modulus of z with big M. Okay, and we have modulus of z prime t dt. Okay, now taking this big M outside the integration sign, so we'll have M integration from a to b modulus of z prime t dt. Okay, and this integration represents the length of the contour gamma. Okay, so it will be L. Okay, so we'll have modulus of integration gamma f of z dz less than equals to m into L. Okay, so this is the proof of ML inequality. Now let's do a problem based on this concept. So we have a question here. Let gamma be given by zt equals to 2e raised to power iota t, and t is from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, then show that modulus of integration gamma e raised to power z over z square plus 1 dz is less than equals to 4 pi e square over 3. Okay, clearly you can see we can easily prove this using ML inequality. Okay, so let's start. We have zt, gamma is zt, which is given by 2e raised to power iota t. Okay, so this is what, this is circle of radius 2 with center 0 comma 0. and inside this region mod of z is less than 2. Okay, before applying ML inequality we need to find m and l. Okay, where m is maximum absolute value of function e raised to power z over z square plus 1. Okay, so maximum of function e raised to power z over z square plus 1 will be maximum of e raised to power z over, since z square plus 1 is in denominator, that's why we need minimum of z square plus 1. Okay, so this function e raised to power z will be less than equal to e raised to power 2 in this region. Okay, and modulus of z square plus 1 will always be greater than equals to modulus of z square minus 1. Okay, from the property of modulus. Okay, and this will be 2 square minus 1, so we'll have modulus of z square plus 1 will be greater than equals to 4 minus 1, that is 3 here. Okay, so now we'll have modulus of e raised to power z over z square plus 1, this will be less than equals to e square over 3, and this is our capital M. Okay, and L be the length of this circle. Okay, which will be the circumference of this circle. So L will be 2 pi r and radius is 2, so we'll have L equals to 4 pi. Okay, now let's apply ML inequality. So modulus of integration gamma e raised to power z over z square plus 1 dz will be less than equals to m is e square over 3 and L is 4 pi, and this equals to 4 pi over 3 e square. Okay, and this is we have to prove. Okay, now this video ends here, and I have a quick announcement to make. Those students who are preparing for exams like CSR Net, GATE and other MSc entrance examination can buy a complex analysis handwritten notes for a very reasonable price for only rupees 50. This notes contains lots of problems and concepts. So if you are interested, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thanks for watching.